Hey guys, let's take a look at this question. It says the distance from Charlene's house to her school is 8/10ths of a mile. Charlene rides her bike 7/10ths of the distance and walks the rest of the way. How far does Charlene ride her bike to school? So first thing you need to do is label your distance here. The house to school, 8/10ths of a mile. So if we shade in and use our hundreds grid, 2/10ths, 3/10ths, 4/10ths, 5/10ths, 6/10ths, 7/10ths, 8/10ths, and we'll go ahead and multiply that to our 7/10ths, 1/10, 2/10ths, 3/10ths, 4/10ths, 5/10ths, 6/10ths, 7/10ths. We're going to look for what the overlap is here. And I know that this didn't blend in real well, but the overlap is right here. You can see it. We'll outline it. Okay? So we went 8/10ths times 7/10ths. And we know when we multiply 8/10ths times 7/10ths, we get 56/100ths. And we know what's inside that box right there is 56/100ths. That's how far she rode her bike to school. She rode 7/10ths of the distance. Charlene rides her bike 7/10ths of the distance and walks the rest of the way. How far does she ride her bike to school? Okay, so she rode 56/100ths, and if we have our number line down here, we know that's 1/2, and we know 56 is a little bit more than 1/2, isn't it, if we're looking at the line. All right, so use your grids and make your boxes and to help you visualize it, to see it, make number lines. It all goes together, doesn't it? Good luck.